Okay, folks, when I tell you that this rubberized hematite is awesome and you can have a lot of fun with it, this is my Serena testimonial. I'm sitting having cappuccino with her this morning on her lanai. How lovely is this? And this is what she made in the past few days since she purchased with the rubberized hematite. Look at how beautiful these bracelets are. Memory wire bracelets with the rubberized hematite. Look at all the color and choices. Now she's added our gemstones into it and some of the hematite vacuum finished. But the beauty, the simplicity, and the color combinations are exquisite. There's some of that gold mica, orange calcite, there's some kunzite bracelets in here. Here's just a necklace strung with it. Let's see, can you see that? Kunzite, some of the lime green and the purple with kunzite. How pretty is that? Some selenite and the white rubberized kunzite again. Here's some amazonite with the green and white. Some of the chocolate brown with the snakeskin jasper. She's very good with her colors. Some of the gold mica with the peach and silver. Some beautiful colors. Chocolate and black together. Who could say no to these? And it's already been picked over by some of her friends. Yeah, baby. Great Christmas gifts. All right, thanks Serena for letting me share.